TAN, TAN number. What is the meaning of TAN under the Income Tax Act? Why is this number necessary? What are the penalties you will be facing if you don't have a TAN number? And what are the exceptions under which you don't need to have a TAN number? We shall be discussing this today. TAN means Tax Deduction and Collection Account Number. Tax Deduction Account Number. It is a unique 10-digit alphanumeric number which is issued by the Income Tax Department of the Central Government, the Section 203A of the Income Tax Act 1961. TAN number is compulsory for all those assessees who have to deduct TDS. They have to deduct the tax at source, or TCS. They have to collect the tax at source. Supposingly, an assessee has to deduct TDS or has to collect the TCS. In that case, it is very mandatory for the assessee to have a TAN number. It has to be quoted on all the TDS returns filed. It is a very essential and important part of the tax compliance mechanism under Indian laws. This is a unique identification provided to the tax deductor or the tax collector. Like each individual in India is being given an Aadhaar number which is unique to that very citizen. Similarly, this TAN is also a unique number given to every tax deductor. It also helps in tracking the transactions like the payment of tax. TAN can be allotted to an individual, also to an enterprise, a company or a firm. In this case, one company will be treated as one individual. The example ABCD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5G, the TAN number will be shown in this form. The first 4 are alphabets in the TAN number. Next 5 are the digits. And then last character again it is an alphabet. The first 3 alphabets, they are the holder's jurisdiction code. For example, Mr. Kapil from Rajasthan, when he is going to file his tax return at source, his TAN number will be RAJ. RAJ will be taken from the Rajasthan. The first 3 digits will be taken from here. The next alphabet will be the initial of the holder's name. It will be K in this case because the name is Mr. Kapil. Okay. The next 5 numbers, they will be exclusive identifying numerals which be allotted at random to the assessee. And the last alphabet, it is a random alphabet which is allotted to the assessee. So the TAN number will be looking like this. Now the question, why is TAN important and why is it necessary? You cannot file any TCS statement or any TDS statement without TAN number. You cannot submit any TCS TDS certificate without TAN number. You cannot seek challans for all these TCS TDS payments without a TAN number. And there is a wide variety. So many IT related forms are there which they cannot be collected or submitted without TAN number. So it's an integral part of the system. Whosoever is going to deduct the tax, whosoever is going to collect the tax, you have compulsorily to obtain your TAN number. If you don't obtain it, there is a penalty which can be imposed on you. The section applicable is 272 BB1 of the Income Tax Act. In case you have quoted an incorrect TAN number, then the section is 272 BB2 and the maximum penalty in this case can be 10,000 rupees. Same TAN number will be applicable for TDS and TCS documents. One assessee cannot have more than one TAN number. The assessee may be deducting tax in variety of sections. There can be so many occasions in which you are deducting the tax, but one assessee will have only one TAN number. The same TAN number will be applicable in all the sections. Each TAN holder has compulsorily to pay the TDS on a quarter basis. Now, what are the exceptions? Which assessee does not need to have a TAN number? They can move without TAN. I mean to say, they will be deducting the tax, but they still don't need to have a TAN number. What are those 3 cases? The first one is section 194IA. You do not need TAN in this section. This involves the payment on transfer of immovable property. The person required to deduct tax under this section, he can use PAN instead of TAN. Second point is section 194IB. Again, in this section, if TDS is cut, still you do not need to have a TAN number. In this section, if you pay a rent of more than 50,000 in a year, you have to deduct TDS. That is very normal. That is understood. But as far as this section is concerned, you can move without TAN number. The third point is 194M. You are paying some commission or brokerage or a payment to contractor or any other professional fee of more than 50 lakhs per year. You have to deduct TDS 5%, but you can move without TAN. So these are the three sections where TAN is not compulsory. So these are the exceptions to TAN. TAN can be applied online as well as offline. 49B is the name of the form under section 203A of the Income Tax Act. You have to fill the form, fill it correctly, accurately and submit it to the Income Tax Department for TAN application. In case you want to apply online, you have to download this application form from NSDL website, submit the required documents to the Income Tax Department and proceed to get your TAN number. So here we come to the end of the article. I hope I have explained the things clearly to you. In case you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed.